When you get your Snoozeal device, it's going to come in a box like this. You need to remove the outer sleeve. You can then open up the case and find the Snoozeal mouthpiece and the control unit. Underneath the top section you'll find the charging cable for your device, and there will also be a user manual. The first thing you need to do is charge your device. You can do this by plugging in the control unit to any USB charging outlet using the cable provided. Full charge will take 2 hours. While you're doing this, you can download the Snoozeal app from either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once your device is ready to use, you can open up the Snoozeal app on your phone. When you open the app, there are 3 sections to it. The top section can be used to track your sleep at night. This uses your phone's microphone to audio record your sleep so you can track your results. The middle section is used to connect and control your device. And the lower section shows news articles which you can read during your treatment to pass your time. But you do not need to be logged into the app at all time during treatment. Once you press the Snoozeal button, you'll be guided through the connection process. First, check to see if the device is clean and usable. Next, you need to connect the control unit to the mouthpiece. You do it like this. You can then place the mouthpiece around your tongue and press the start button. The app is going to automatically search for your device, and once you see it, just press pair. The status on the top right will show that the device is connected with your app, and the first program will start to count down. If you press pause, you can take a short break for up to 3 minutes. When you restart, you will need to readjust the intensity level to where you are comfortable. If you press stop, you'll be able to stop the treatment cycle, but be aware you cannot restart the cycle for another 3 hours. This is to prevent over-treatment and overstimulation. While the app is running, you are free to use your phone as normal or even turn the screen off. The app timer and the Snoozeal app will be running in the background as normal. If you prefer to stay within the app, you can click the news icons at the bottom of the screen and read some of the latest news articles. At the end of the full treatment cycle, you will get a completion notification. And this will also give you the opportunity to set a reminder for your next treatment session. Another very useful feature in the app is the ability to track and monitor your sleep. When you do this, you're presented with some of the most common factors that can affect sleep. You can then choose which, if any, apply to you that evening. You then plug in your charger and place next to your bed as shown. In the morning, you can rate your sleep and see how much you snored last night. You can also navigate to the times where you were snoring and actually hear yourself snoring. When you finish using the Snoozeal device, all you do is rinse it under some cold water, dry it and have it ready for your next treatment. Remember to charge it if you need to.